Hi, in front of me I have a XIAOMI Mi Watch, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from your phone. First, you will need to open the XIAOMI Wear application on your phone. In the application, you should see the status page. Tap on the profile icon right here. Now, on this page, scroll all the way down, tap on the unpair button, then tap on unpair button again to confirm. The watch should disappear on the profile page, and also it should start resetting itself to the factory default settings. So let's try to wake up the screen. You can see the screen is off. Let's wait a couple more seconds, and you should see the Mi logo and then the list of languages. That means that the device was restored to the factory default settings. To be sure, you can also open the Bluetooth settings on your phone and check if you have connected the watch on the connected devices. As you can see, it's not here. But if it was, you can tap on the settings icon and then tap on forget and forget device to forget it and unpair it from your phone completely. Okay, and that's how you unpair this watch from your phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.